Good morning everyone. Today is my 8 days of my 50 days workout challenge before my 50th birthday. Alright, today what I'm going to do, I will train the abdominal. Alright, so let's go for a 50 repetition of leg raises. Alright. Okay, I already did 25 repetition. Just to give you information before I continue, if that one's leg raises are a little bit harder for you, you can just go with the knee raises. Alright? Something like this. It's burning now. My lower and middle abdominal. Just to give you information, this is one of my favorite abdominal workouts. So 40 repetition, last 10 to go. It's burning. Okay, 50 reps. Alright. It's cramping now. Very good abdominal workout. One of my favorite. Okay, thought for the day. Making a body. Our body, you can make it in the gym. But abdominal, you can make it in the kitchen. Okay? So that's why some of the people, they just misinterpret. When they're working out with their abdominal exercise, they think they will get a six-pack. No. Mostly, you're only strengthening your abdominal and your core. This is because to stabilize also your natural stabilizer for your abdominal or upper body, which is also help to protect your spine, enhance your performance in any kinds of movement. All right. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good day. God bless and peace.